Hey YouTube, we got to the track right there, and we're gonna go, the wall is torn down, so we're gonna go, remake the little wall and the snare pen. It's a double snare pen. Fucking shitty out, it's raining. The time is, 7:03, so another one more hour. It's gonna be pretty dark out. Oh, fuckers. Got robbed here. Not much bait left. Probably the fucking crows. And pissing around my snares all season. So I'm just putting up my snare now. So this is a fox snare. It's about 6 to 8 inches off the ground. So that's good. You can see they busted down the wall here. Just gonna replace the branches. Make sure they don't fucking go in by the side. So, you know, the other snare looks like it got disturbed a bit. No, this snare's actually okay. So, what we're gonna do is we'll get some partridge feathers and guts. Got a few partridge today while we're out on the line. So now we'll just put a bit of that shit in there. Got a piece here, a wing, another wing, and got some leftover beaver in there. And got my bag of hay for hay sets, so we'll put some feathers in there and some coyote lure attractant, and I got fox attractant or lure. Just gonna dump that in the middle there. And I take my code blue fox code blue coyote attractant. Forgot my fox lure at home, but this will do good for the night. So it smells like urine pretty much. Just gonna spray a bit in the branches. And on the feathers, I'll get some down on there. And that's good for now. So I'm gonna go home now, upload a few videos for you guys, and go to bed, get up in the morning, and go check the line. We got on the line we have, on a private land on a 600-acre field, I have a wolf bait, and I have about 8 rubber jaws for fox and coyote. I have 2 double snare pens there, and here I have this snare pen that we just were at. I have the hay set I just showed you guys, and then I have 2 more hay sets and 2 cubby sets for fox, and then I have and plus another 2 on the trail on my way to my line, so that's pretty good. So that's the way I go to check my traps. Down there, across the creek, and go up the field on the other side. So we'll put ourselves on 4-wheel drive so we don't roll down the hill, 'cause it's pretty wet out. So I'll just show you guys my my hay set, just in case you didn't see my other video. I don't know if it's gonna work because I don't know, I just tried it out. There's 2-foot traps, so it's like a double hay set in the same place. I got some partridge guts and stuff there. Foot trap in front, and then on this side I got another partridge piece and another foot trap. So I don't know if it's gonna work. If you guys have any suggestions, or if you don't like that trap, let me know. And another question is, do you guys know if rabbit urine would do good for fox or lynx sets? I can buy rabbit urine at the Canadian Tire, so I just want to know if it'll be good for my traps. So anyways, peace guys, and keep me posted.